Hey guys, this video is kind of intended to give you guys a better idea on how to fix either a cracked taillight or headlight. This is based off my experience on a 2020 Toyota Corolla. In this video, you'll kind of see some images on the rear portion, so it kind of makes your job easier of removing the taillight. So in my case, I had the outside taillight cracked. Somebody had backed into me, left about a 1 centimeter crack along. And the problem is those kind of water filling up. So rather than buying a new taillight and save a little bit of money, I filled it up with epoxy JB WELD. This worked pretty well. It was able to fill up cracks, I think up to 1 centimeter. I used the applicator stick to kind of fill it up. And I used a clamp to kind of squeeze the joint a bit. So I placed the clamp on the top and bottom of the light once I took it out in order to minimize the crack. Next I'll show you guys some pictures of kind of like the tail light, the cavity, and some stuff you might encounter, just to give you guys a better sense, because it took a bit of time to figure out for me how to remove the light. So you'll kind of see this little, once you remove the cloth cover, just use this simple flathead to pop the little pins. You're going to have to remove this cable connector, and you want to push that out the hole eventually. On the outside, there's this little small black plastic cover. You want to pop that off, take the two 10mm bolts off of it also, and one extra bolt I believe down here. So that's kind of the picture of inside. You want to kind of, there's this one little black, actually white plastic piece that you kind of have to tap out. Here's some of the screws, the cloth cover, some of the pins. I'm going to take that bolt out, take that bolt off. Yeah, so this one little thing I didn't really notice was this one little clip here. You kind of have to pull the headlight outwards towards the actual license plate to kind of pull it out. Here's a better sense. You have those two bolts. There's this one little piece that gets wedged here. You have the cable connector input right there. Other than that, you just pull it out, give it a little bit of jerk. Here's a little bit of two images of the back side. Here's a little one piece that kind of hammered out a little bit. It's kind of wedged in there. Here's another side of the back side. So I should probably upload a video on that, but yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.